Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Toothpaste Dispenser is probably one of the most effective ways to make brushing fun for children and establish a consistent oral hygiene routine, helping them develop healthy habits from a young age. In this video, we will review the Best Kids Toothpaste Dispenser on the market, helping you choose the perfect one for your little ones. Number 5. MOPMS Toothpaste Dispenser. It uses a vacuum and push design to dispense just the right amount of toothpaste every time. This is perfect for both kids and adults, helping everyone learn to brush properly. Made from BPA-free, food-grade material, it's safe, hygienic, and odorless. The no-touch design keeps things clean and convenient. It's easy to install with the included adhesive stickers on most smooth surfaces. Plus, it's removable for easy cleaning. It works with most standard toothpaste tubes, ensuring it's a versatile addition to your bathroom. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we offer refunds, returns, or exchanges. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? It automatically dispenses the right amount of toothpaste, avoiding messy tubes and direct contact. If you're looking for a convenient and sanitary solution for the whole family, this is perfect. Its easy installation makes it a breeze to set up in your bathroom. What people say. When I first attempted to insert the toothpaste, Colgate Optic White is what I'm using currently, I was afraid the bottle was not going to fit. However, it just took maybe 1 minute or so to figure it out and get it secured in, and it's worked flawlessly since. They give you an extra mounting adhesive in case one fails, although seems quite sturdy. It's got a silicone self-closing tip that dispenses the perfect amount of toothpaste in my opinion. This was so easy to install and use. Sticks great, perfect glob each time, and fits both kids and adult toothbrushes. With daily use there has never been any issues with the unit getting loose or falling off. Number 4. Automatic Toothpaste Dispenser. It's a wall-mounted holder with a built-in automatic toothpaste dispenser, toothbrush slots, and electric toothbrush holders. This keeps your bathroom organized and saves valuable counter space. Using vacuum pump technology, it dispenses just the right amount of toothpaste each time. This minimizes waste and keeps things clean. It has slots for regular and electric toothbrushes, plus space for other items like razors or face wash. The toothbrush slots even have a cover to keep things dust-free. It comes with a strong adhesive sticker for easy, no-drill installation. Plus, it's simple to take apart and clean with water. For best results, clean and dry the wall before applying the adhesive and wait 24 hours. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like? This product saves space and keeps your bathroom organized with built-in toothbrush holders and a toothpaste dispenser. If you need a multi-purpose solution to reduce clutter, this is the one for you. The vacuum pump technology ensures no toothpaste is wasted. What people say. The compact and sleek design of this toothpaste dispenser is its first noticeable advantage. It doesn't just serve as a novel way to dispense toothpaste, it also incorporates a toothbrush holder, efficiently using vertical space to reduce countertop clutter. Installing the dispenser was a breeze, with no need for drilling or complicated tools. The adhesive backing provided a secure attachment to the bathroom wall or mirror. Using the dispenser is equally straightforward. Insert the toothbrush into the slot, and the perfect amount of toothpaste is dispensed, eliminating waste and ensuring a mess-free experience. The touch-free dispensing mechanism is a highlight, promoting better hygiene by preventing cross-contamination. The enclosed design protects toothbrushes from airborne bacteria, further enhancing bathroom hygiene. Number 3. 4-pack rolling toothpaste squeezer. Tired of struggling to squeeze out that last bit of toothpaste? It's frustrating and wasteful. This handy tool makes it easy to get every drop. Simply insert the toothpaste tube and rotate the handle. It rolls up the tube, flattening it as it goes, making it easy to squeeze out the remaining toothpaste. It's not just for toothpaste. Use it on tubes of creams, lotions, paints, and more. Get the most out of your favorite products. This simple design is easy to use and clean. Plus, it keeps your tubes upright for convenient storage. Stop wasting money and start enjoying every last drop. Order your set of 4 rolling toothpaste squeezers today. It efficiently squeezes out toothpaste, preventing waste and saving you money. It's also very convenient to use and store. What we like. It's a simple and practical tool to easily squeeze out every last bit of toothpaste from almost empty tubes. If you hate wasting toothpaste, this is a must-have. It's reusable and works on various tubes, not just toothpaste. What people say. Easy to use, and I like how it holds my toothpaste upright. A simple design that keeps anything in a tube from being wasted. Works on toothpaste-sized tubes. Pretty easy to use. Surprisingly sturdy even though they are plastic. They do the job as intended. Number 2. Wall-mounted toothbrush holder set. Say goodbye to messy bathroom counters. This set keeps everything neat and organized, making your morning routine a breeze. It's made from high-quality PC plus ABS, a durable and food-safe material, ensuring long-lasting use for the whole family. The magnetic switch design protects your toothbrushes from dust, while the vacuum pump dispenses just the right amount of toothpaste. This holder is easy to take apart for cleaning. The wall mount is simple to install and remove, no drilling required. It's designed to accommodate most standard toothbrushes and toothpaste tubes, making it a versatile solution for every family member. The strong, traceless adhesive ensures it stays securely in place on smooth surfaces like metal, wood, ceramic, and mirrors. Just make sure the surface is clean and dry before installation. What we like. This durable and cleanable toothbrush holder with built-in toothpaste dispensers is perfect for families. If you want a stable and easy-to-clean solution that fits most toothbrushes and toothpaste, this is for you. The strong adhesive ensures it stays put. What people say. My kids are 5 and 9 and they are able to use this with ease. It does get a little dirty inside where it dispenses, but it is easy to clean. The look is awesome, having the door to cover the toothbrushes. It's easy enough for my 5 and 7-year-old to use on their own, and they were thrilled to hang their toothbrushes up. I also love that I can put both an adult toothpaste and the kids' one in there. Number 1. Baby Yoda Toothpaste Topper. Start your day with a smile. This adorable Baby Yoda topper will add fun to your morning routine. It's the perfect way to make brushing your teeth more enjoyable. Unlike other 3D printed options, it boasts a smooth, glossy finish that brings out Baby Yoda's cute expressiveness. You'll love seeing its charming face every morning. Simply screw it onto your toothpaste tube. Watch as your toothpaste magically comes out of Baby Yoda's mouth, making brushing a fun experience. Made with high-quality, edible materials, it's non-toxic and safe for the whole family. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's gentle on your teeth and gums. While it's a perfect fit for Colgate, it also works with many other brands of similar diameter. Please check the size before purchasing. This is a must-have for any Star Wars enthusiast. It's a unique and fun gift that shows you care. They'll love having Baby Yoda in their bathroom. What we like. This cute and fun Yoda-themed toothpaste topper adds a unique touch to your brushing routine. If you're looking for a quirky and fun gift for kids or Star Wars fans, this is it. It's a simple way to make brushing more enjoyable. What people say. It took a bit of time to find a toothpaste tube it would fit on top of, but since my daughter was so picky with teeth brushing already, we had like 6 tubes of different flavors we had tried to get her inspired with, so we found one that it fit like a glove on. She now asks her Yoda to throw up toothpaste every night and brushes her teeth like a champ. While a smile and all. It works fine, yet there is a buildup of toothpaste that dries up, so germ-wise not so good. It would fit on regular adult brand toothpaste but not the kid type, as they have a wider lid so the Yoda won't screw on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.